Yeah, Larry McClure. And I've been coming here probably just about since you started. My wife, she said, Larry, you need to go and have your teeth done again, cleaned. Well, I, like a lot of people, hesitate to go get my teeth cleaned. But I'll tell you this, if you're a scaredy cat, this is the place to go, because this is about the most painless place you can go to get your teeth cleaned that I know of. Welcome. They all make me feel welcome, and I look forward to coming back. Excellent. It's just excellent. I can't say enough nice things about your staff, how the offices are arranged, and the procedures are all spotless and professional. You guys seem to go out of your way to make sure people have no pain during their procedures. Well, like I said before, if you're a scaredy cat, this is the place to be. In fact, I had a root canal a couple of weeks ago, and I actually took a nap. Looking forward to coming back.